Different businesses might have their own credit management needs. It allows to reduce the credit risk by setting up the credit limit for your customers in SAP Business One. This is a Sana demo store. Right now, I'm logged into the web store with the customer that has a credit limit. I will add some product to the shopping cart. When a customer places an order which exceeds his or her credit limit, a customer will see a warning. In this example, you can see that the customer is informed about exceeding the credit limit and asked to pay the order online through a payment provider using a credit or a debit card. In this case, when a customer proceeds to checkout, he or she will need to select the appropriate payment method and pay the order. There is also another scenario when a customer exceeds his or her credit limit and is asked to pay the outstanding invoices. In this scenario, a customer should go to the invoices history and pay the outstanding invoices. So, in the first example, the customer is asked to pay full amount online while placing the order. And in the second example, the customer is asked to pay his or her outstanding invoices. Which message to show to your customers and how they should pay can be configured in Sana Admin. I will tell you more about this later. Let's see how to set up credit limits in SAP Business One. I will go to Administration, System Initialization, General Settings. On the Business Partners tab, select the checkboxes Credit Limit and Sales Order. This enables credit limit check for sales orders in SAP Business One. And now let's open the master data of some business partner. Sana uses business partners in SAP Business One as customers. On the Payment Terms tab, in the Credit Limit field, you can enter the credit limit amount for your customer. In the General area of the Business Partner Master Data window, in the Account Balance field, you can check the customer balance and see the total amount a customer owes for completed sales. The system compares the customer's credit limit with the balance, and if the balance exceeds the credit limit, a warning will be shown in the shopping cart when the customer places the order. The customer will see the amount by which he or she exceeds the credit limit. And now let's check the credit limit settings in Sana Admin. I will go to Setup, Ordering and Checkout. On the Ordering tab, you can see the field Validate Credit Limits for B2B customers. So, credit limits are supported in Sana for B2B customers, and if you want to use them, you must set up credit limits in SAP Business One and in Sana. There is also dependency between the options Validate Credit Limits and Online Order Payments for B2B customers. For example, if you select that B2B customers should pay full amount online when they place orders, then you can't enable credit limits validation. When credit limits validation is disabled, the warning will not be shown to the customers in the web store when they exceed the credit limit, but it will be still calculated in SAP Business One. Customers will go through the usual checkout process. If you enable credit limits validation with warning only, then customers will see the warning that they should pay the outstanding invoices when they exceed the credit limit. If you enable credit limits validation with online payment, then customers will see the warning that they should pay the order online when they exceed the credit limit. In this case, the customers will need to pay full order amount online through a payment provider using their credit or debit card, regardless of the payment type that is configured for B2B customers in Sana. Sana has no influence on how credit limits and customers' balance are calculated in SAP Business One. The default SAP logic is used. If credit limits are configured for the customers in SAP Business One, they will be always calculated. In Scanner Admin, you can only control which message must be shown to the customers in the web store when they exceed the credit limit, and how they should pay their orders, either directly during checkout or the outstanding invoices.